but we have presentation pictures. Again, it's the same place that we worked on twice. How are you?
So, Brandon advised we don't.
Different in this space with the others. So we can unplug the battery because it doesn't stay out here and go in storage.
And users like.
And if we do that, then the microphone still works, the projector still works, we've got the wall input, and then the air media are available at any time. It's all automatic. You unplug the PC, unplug it back in. It's not super quick. It takes a minute for the system to find that this has either been plugged in or been unplugged. But the internet will adjust accordingly so that you can see what you can use.
You just got on it. The only security is when you're in the room, you're the only one seeing that code that you're typing in for everyone. So that's a pretty good local.
He's the one who gave me
the Okay. So there are no lockdown codes.
We haven't. If we need to, if that is something we need to figure out, we'll figure out.
Only reason I ask is it happens in the libraries. And so I'm coming from the library where,
So the only so we've got two projectors here, two screens, and these cutouts that they've got kind of picked off and doing some trouble work. Because this space is deeper and we have the columns. We also have two displays on the back of the columns here, and then you can kind of see the two spots on that back wall that have the in-wall boxes. Their displays are going to go up there as well. When the system is off, those four displays will be on the side. When the system turns on, then they get the same speed as the projectors.
So you said unplug the microphone still works.
Microphones, yes. Yes. So because the receiver is
Okay.
there's a container for this in the so that stuff's viable. Yeah, Air Media. Air Media stuff is directly on the system, and then the HDMI wallpaper. The cables are labeled here, so the one on the face, the silver face, is for the PC. The other two, they're labeled 1A and 1B. It doesn't matter which is what. It's they're auto lag. We have plenty of bandwidth. The AV over IP solution is potentially up to a gig, so just this way we don't have to worry about it. So one of them is probably enough in this case, but we may need to investigate. And talking to Tim Timberman that if this PC is offline for extended periods of time, then it's probably not going to be current and might have some patching issues, that sort of thing. So we might see about getting a place to plug it in when it's installed. So, other than that, we have actually a pair of cameras. You can choose one or the other. It's the same as the other places.
So that's why the touch panel's on the wall, so when the card is not there, you can still do your options. HDMI input, you don't have.
So right now we've got 7 inputs. A minute, and then I'll check the PC, the document camera, interface for the PC. The HDMI cable, the USB-C cable, the aux input on the front of the podium, those are all unique to the podium being plugged in. Yes, because the interface box is that Madio box down there. So if you want to do conferencing with your BYOD or with your PC, then you have to bring the whole thing. once you could switch over to the wireless display.
I don't even know.
Actually, now we've just got wireless display in all.
So that's what the coding is.
And there's the sound system.
Is it a preferred push off or is it a preferred pop?